Hi everyone, let's talk about the heart today. One of the most incredible organs in your body. Your heart is basically a pump that never stops. It beats all day, every day, without you even thinking about it. For most people, it beats around 60 to 100 times per minute. That's roughly 100,000 times every single day. Imagine that your heart is working non-stop just to keep you alive. So, what exactly is it doing? Your heart pumps blood through an amazing network of vessels called arteries and veins. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. It also takes away waste like carbon dioxide to keep your body clean and healthy. Without your heart, even for a few minutes, your cells wouldn't survive. The heart has four chambers, two on top called atria and two on the bottom called ventricles. They work together like a well coordinated team, pushing blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen and then sending it out to the rest of your body. Keeping your heart healthy is super important. Exercise strengthens it, and a healthy diet keeps the blood flowing well, and reducing stress helps it beat calmly instead of too fast. Even simple habits like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking daily, or drinking enough water make a huge difference over time. And here's something really cool: your heart can adapt. When you run or do sports, it learns to pump more efficiently, and when you rest, it slows down to recover. It's like a smart machine inside your chest, always working for you. So the next time your heart beats, just take a moment to appreciate it. It's literally the engine of your life, keeping you alive every second without you even noticing. Thanks for listening.